Hello students, good morning. Now we start the question number 8. Draw the ray diagram showing the position, nature and size of the image formed by a concave mirror. Question number 8 in our CW. Diagram already I have drawn. Now I explain this diagram. When question is that when position of the object at infinity means infinite distance far from the sea, then what is the image of position of image, size of image and nature of image. So in this case, when object is placed at an infinity distance, when incident ray coming from this object which is parallel to the principal axis, जो भी रेड कलर का रेज है ना वो सब इंसिडेंट रेज मैंने अलग कलर से बताया है इन डायग्राम. आफ्टर द रिफ्लेक्शन all are meet at the focus point F. So this diagram is the ray diagram. Now we discuss position, size and nature of image. We find image at the focus point F. So position of the image at the focus F. Size of the image is point like, means highly diminished. Nature of the image, real and inverted. Why we say real image? Because image is a front side of the mirror. Shiny surface of this mirror is the inner side. So image is a front side of the mirror. So we say real image. Next case, when we placed object just beyond C થી થોડેક દૂર, AB is shown red color is the object and incident ray I show in red color. So all the incident ray parallel to the principal axis when we reflect is passes through the principal focus. When incident ray passes through the principal focus, after the reflection, it is the parallel ray with principal axis. So, image of A is a ADX. So, AB is an object and ADX, BDX is an image of this object. So, we answer that position of the image equals to between F and C. Position of this image between F and C. Size of the image diminished. AB object છે, ADX BDX છે, એ AB ની સાઇઝ કરતા થોડીક નાની મળે છે. તો size of the object we find diminished. Diminished means બહુ નાની. Nature of the image real and inverted. જેટલી ઇમેજ આપણે મિરરની ફ્રન્ટ સાઈડ મળે બધી કહેવાશે real and inverted. Now third case, at C, position of the object at C. C means center of curvature. AB is an object placed at the center of curvature C. We find image at C of same size as object. AB is object, ADX BDX is a image. AB, height of the AB equals to height of the ADX BDX. Ray diagram I explain. Incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. After the reflection, it passes through the principal focus F. When we passes through the incident ray passes through the principal focus F, when after the reflection it is go through parallel as principal axis. Then a image of A is a ADX and image of B equals to BDX. So we find AB equals to ADX BDX. Now we discuss the answer of this case. Position of the image at C. Position of the image, क्या आपने इमेज कई जगह मળી? C, center of curvature. Size of the image, same size. AB equals to ADX BDX. તમે અહીં લખી શકો AB, height of the AB equals to ADX BDX. ADX BDX is the image and AB is the real object. Nature of the image, real and inverted. Nature of the object, real and inverted. Now we discuss third point. When we placed the image at position of the image at between C and F, between C and F. C, center of curvature here, F, focus point here. We placed object AB between C and F. After draw ray diagram, we find image beyond C, C થી થોડેક દૂર, as ADX BDX. Here ADX BDX is a image of this object. Clear? Now we discuss answer. Position of the image is beyond C, C થી થોડે દૂર મળશે. Size of the image, enlarge. We see that AB is an object and ADX BDX is a image. We see clearly that AB is less than, height of the AB is less than height of the image. So we find image is large as a object. The size of the image, enlarge. Nature of the image, real and inverted. Real and inverted. Now next case. When we placed object at focus point F. AB, here AB is an object. When incident ray passes through the as principal axis, after the reflection it is go through the principal focus. When it is passes through C, then after reflection is go same direction. So where infinite distance we expand the two rays which is not meet any point. So we cannot find image at finite distance. So we say that position of the image equals at infinite distance, because at finite distance we cannot find the image. So size of the image is highly enlarged. એકદમ જ મોટી સાઇઝની આપણે ઇમેજ મળશે. અને નેચર ઓફ ધ ઇમેજ રિયલ એન્ડ ઇન્વર્ટેડ. રિયલ ઇમેજ મળશે અને ઇન્વર્ટેડ હશે. ઇમેજ કેવી હશે? રિયલ એન્ડ ઇન્વર્ટેડ. નાઉ નેક્સ્ટ કેસ. when we placed object at focus point F, between focus point F and P. P means principal focus, pole P. AB is an object. This ray is an incident ray parallel to the principal axis. After reflection is go through the focus point. When incident ray passes through the C, center of curvature, after the reflection is go in same direction, they two ray, reflected ray, meet at the back side of the mirror. Back side. આ સાઈડ બેક સાઈડ છે ને આ એની ફ્રન્ટ સાઈડ છે. This is the mirror, aperture of mirror. So when after the reflection, reflected ray meet at the point ADX, which is the back side of the mirror. So we find this image is the back side of the mirror. Here AB is an object and ADX BDX is a image. Now we discuss answer of this. Position of the image behind the mirror. Position क्या मળી ઇમેજની આપણે? મિરરની બેક સાઈડમાં, બિહાઇન્ડ, પાછળ, મિરરથી પાછળની સાઈડમાં એની મેળી, તો આપણે શું કહેશું? બિહાઇન્ડ ધ મિરર. સાઇઝ ઓફ ધ ઇમેજ enlarge. You see that AB object is, the height of the AB object is less than the height of the image. So, height of the image is enlarged. And nature of the image virtual and erect. જો મિરરની બેક સાઈડમાં જ્યારે પણ આપણને ઇમેજ મળે એને વર્ચ્યુઅલ કહેવાય, રિયલ કહેવાય નહીં. તો ધીસ ઇમેજ ઇઝ અ વર્ચ્યુઅલ ઇમેજ એન્ડ ઇરેક્ટ. આપણને અત્યાર સુધી ઓબ્જેક્ટ આ રીતે હોય તો ઇમેજ આમ ઇન્વર્ટેડ મળતી હતી, પણ ઇન ધીસ કેસ ઓબ્જેક્ટ એ બી એન ઇમેજ એ બી, એટલે ઇમેજ આપને ઇરેક્ટ જ મળી છે. એટલે ઇમેજનો નેચર એવું હશે વર્ચ્યુઅલ એન્ડ ઇરેક્ટ. તો ધીસ ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ ફિનિશ હિયર. It is all the case of concave mirror, of reflection by concave mirror, position, nature and size. Now we discuss next question, convex mirror. In convex mirror there are only two cases. There are only two cases convex in convex mirror. Question, write this question. Draw a ray diagram. Draw a ray diagram showing the position, nature and size of the image formed by a convex mirror. Let's see here. C is the center of curvature and draw a aperture of a mirror. Draw an aperture of a mirror. And this mirror is a convex type, so we shows the curved size is a shiny surface, એટલે inner side is a rough surface and outer side is a shiny surface. This is the principal axis. This is the P, pole. And this axis is called principal axis. When incident ray coming from the far object, which is always parallel to the principal axis, and after the reflection, they all meet at the focus point F of the mirror of back side. We expand this all rays in this side. This all rays so known as reflected rays. I try to denote these rays as alag color. देखो, this rays is a reflected ray, this also reflected ray, this also reflected ray, this also reflected ray. All red color are reflected rays. You see that all rays are not meet really, but in back side of these mirrors they meet a focus point F. So we write this answer that position of the image at the principal focus behind the mirror. At the principal focus behind the mirror. Nature of the image virtual and erect. Size of the image a point like means highly diminished. Size of the mirror a point like means highly diminished. Now we draw second case of this mirror. I draw first a principal focus. Let C as a center of curvature and take a center as C and draw an arc which is the aperture of the mirror. Inner side of this mirror is a rough surface and outer side of this mirror is a shiny surface. Inner side of this mirror is a rough surface and outer side of this mirror is a shiny surface. Now we place the object at near the P or far from P, but not at the infinite distance. This is a object AB. AB is a object. Here we take roughly F, focus point. Where we take roughly F as a focus point. When a ray passes through the center of curvature C, this is the incident ray, passes through center of curvature C. You know that when this ray, after reflection is go same direction. When here this ray is passes through the principal focus and expand in back side is this direction. Incident ray is go from C, after the reflection is go in same direction. So here incident, this is the reflected angle and this incident angle એટલે angle of incident and normal drawn at the center of the curvature. So we find the image at this point as AX, BX. This is the image of object AB. Position of the object at any point without infinite distance. When we find the position of the image, we find the position of the image at behind the mirror between P and focus point. Between P and focus point. Behind the mirror between P and F. P means pole, F means focus point. Nature of the image, virtual. Nature of the image, we find virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. In both cases, we find the image. In both this case, we find the nature of the image always virtual and erect. Here also we find virtual and erect. Size of the image is diminished. Size of the image we find diminished means very small. Diminished means very small. So student, see, in this case always we find image in convex lens, convex mirror, always we find a image as virtual and erect, and always find image at the back side of the mirror. This is the question number 9. You all have to draw this ray diagram in your CW as answer 9 and write this answer also in your CW. Now we discuss about the question number 10. I explain a selected question from this chapter. I don't explain this chapter totally because rest of the part of this chapter is not IMP for exam. So most of IMP questions I take here. Now question number 10. Why do we prefer a convex mirror, a rear view mirror in vehicle? આપણે વેહિકલમાં કોન્વેક્સ મિરરનો યુઝ શા માટે કરીએ છીએ? શું કામે આપણે કોનકેવ મિરર ત્યાં યુઝ નથી કરતા? એનો આન્સર છે સ્ટુડન્ટ, this is because the convex mirror always formed an erect virtual, not this, erect virtual and diminished image an object wherever the object may be located. Also, a convex mirror has a wider field view relative to the plane mirror as it is a curved outward. Thus, convex mirror fitted on the side of the vehicle enable the driver to view the much larger area than that would be possible with the plane mirror, enabling the driver to see the traffic behind him or her to facilitate safe driving. Main reason of this mirror is a erect virtual and diminished image formed by this mirror image as erect virtual and diminished. So this question is a most IMP question and it is asked in board exam also. Now next question number 11. Now next question is question number 11. Question number 11. Distance for concave and convex mirror according to the few Cartesian sign convention. The pole P is taken as the origin of the concave mirror. You studied in standard 9th quadrant and vertices also. Here 0, 0 is the origin, is x-axis, x-dex is a x-axis, y-dex and y. Here you put positive number, here all numbers are negative, here all numbers are positive and here all y-dex is a negative number. Now we take origin as a P. And so the focal length of the mirror, PF, focal length of the mirror is equal to PF. We said a focal length. Focal length is the left side of the P. So each distance is take V minus. So we take minus F. PC means the radius of the curvature. It is also a left side of the x-axis. So we take minus R. The object distance PB is the object distance. It is also distance is the left side of the P. So we take as a sign conversion of Cartesian system. We take the object distance as U, then minus U. The image distance PBDX, it is also a left side of the P. So by the sign of this Cartesian system, so we take object distance as V, then we take minus V, opposite direction to in the indicate ray. The height of the object AB is a height H, but H is the OY Cartesian, indicate OY Cartesian. So OY is a positive. So we take AB as a distance of object as plus H. We take image ADX BDX as minus H. So is it distance for the concave and convex mirror according to the new Cartesian sign convention is this is the answer of this question. This is also asked in 3 or 2 marks in board exam. This rule is same for the convex mirror also. In convex mirror, a diagram of convex mirror it is given here. You see that image at the back side of the mirror. So this distance you take positive. And height of the image also you take positive. In both mirror, all signs are not same in both case because the image are different side in both case. In this case, focal length f positive, radius of the curvature also you take positive. Object distance pb equals to minus u because because it is the back side of the mirror. Image distance pbdx equals to plus v because in the direction of the incident ray. The height of the object AB equals to plus h because the measure upward from the principal axis. The height of the image ADX BDX equals to plus h because we find image as a erect image. So erect image so plus h. Erect image object is AB h, then we find image is erect, so ADX BDX also plus h. Clear? Now we discuss question number 12. State the mirror formula and write it mathematically. Student, in old case, mirror formula is a big formula derivation of lengthy, but in your case, in your syllabus also, it is a short mirror formula. It is you have to not ask derive this formula, but only write this formula and discuss the U, F and V. It is most IMP, but it is asked only 2 marks in exam. State the mirror formula and write mathematically. A relation between F, U and V is shown is given as 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equals to 1 upon F, where U equals to the distance of the object from the pole of the spherical mirror. V is the distance of the image from the pole of the spherical mirror, and F equals to the distance of the principal focus from the pole of the spherical mirror. This all 12 questions, 1 to 12 questions, you all have to write in CW and learn it. And I asked in your test also this. In unit test of this chapter is round about July 1 or 2 date now. So dear students, write these all questions and answers in your CW and learn it. And doubt are also discuss with your friend and note down in your CW, backside of CW. And when we meet after lockdown, we discuss all types of your doubt. Clear?